How to delete all videos on TikTok. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So in order to delete all the videos on TikTok, what you can simply do is make a long press, or you can just launch the TikTok application. As you launch the TikTok application, tap on your profile at the bottom right corner of the screen over here. So what you can simply do is tap on the hamburger icon at the top right corner. As you tap on the hamburger icon, tap on settings and privacy. Now scroll down and here you can simply see the option of the account option. So tap on account and here you can deactivate or delete account. So select on it, and as you get to see the options, you'll be able to select on the options of delete your account permanently. So when you delete your account permanently, you'll be able to delete all your TikTok videos on TikTok. But if you want to just delete the videos and keep the account safe, what you can simply do is you can make a long press on TikTok application, tap on the option of app info, and as you tap on app info, you'll be able to see the option of clear data at the bottom right corner. So select on it and then tap on clear all data. So as you do that, you'll be able to delete all your videos on TikTok. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.